We're gonna go over task 211 and go over how to disassemble the faucet unit. First, you wanna grab a completed faucet and grab your screwdriver. You're gonna hold the faucet with one hand. I like to put my fingers on the handle to keep it in place. I'm gonna use the other hand to hold the screwdriver, and I'm gonna start unscrewing the screw that's located on the handle. Make sure that the screw does not fall. We have unscrewed the screw, and we're going to place it in the correct compartment. We're going to remove the handle. All you have to do is pull, and you're going to place the handle in the correct unit. The tag will easily fall, and you're gonna grab your tag and place it in the correct compartment. Now we're going to remove the plastic nut. All you're gonna do is unscrew until it becomes loose. You should be able to pull the nut. You're gonna place this in the correct compartment. Now that you have removed that, you're going to remove the black ring and place it in the correct compartment. You're gonna remove the hard washer and place it in the correct compartment. Then you're going to remove the soft washer and place in the correct compartment. You should be able to unscrew the threaded rod and place it in the correct compartment. You should be left with the base, and you'll place the base in the correct compartment. And that finishes the task.